Hi guys, welcome back. I know today is not my regular day for posting. I will be back on Friday. I'm working on a really great video. I can't wait to show you this background that I'm doing. It's a copper patina with blue, and it came out so pretty. I cannot wait to show you the technique that I used on this. In the meantime, I have to tell you a story because I feel so guilty and, well, not that guilty. Not that guilty, but I feel guilty. I got a message the other day from DJ and he's an artist here on YouTube. He doesn't really put out videos yet, but I do recommend that you guys subscribe to him. He's a really nice guy and he's resourceful. So this is what happened. I get a message from him, and he knows that I love Holbein white pencils. I mean, I think I've only said that on this channel 1,000 times. Now, Derwent Chinese White is my top white pencil. I love that pencil, and it's even better than every other pencil I have. I just love that pencil. Holbein is a whole step above. It's not even close. So if you were going to like jump up a ladder, that's where you get your Holbein white. But you can't get it. They don't sell it in the United States, at least. Well, DJD found a source, and the pencils are a phenomenal price. But here's the catch to it. Okay, they sell it at jacksonsart.com, and they have a US site and a UK site. They are selling it on the US site, except it's out of stock right now, and this is what's really bad. Me and DJ must have been like ordering it at the same exact time, because I put in for 2 pencils and he put in for 10. When we were doing it, his pencils did not go through because he ordered 10 and they didn't have it in stock. In the meantime, I must have been putting in for mine, and I put in for 2 and they said no. And then I was like, okay, I'm going to just try for 1, and 1 went through. So I got 1 and he got none, and he was the one who found the source. Oopsies. Sorry, DJ. I'm still not giving you my pencil. But I've been looking on the site every day to see, because it says on the site it's coming back and they will have it. And you can sign up for getting a notification to when the pencil comes in. When I was looking on the rest of the site, it seems their stock is coming in March 25th. I will put out a notification as soon as I see it. Grab this pencil. It's like coloring with butter, with opaque white butter. It's the only Holbein pencil that I dared use up, and I thought, oh my God, I'll just get another one. I'll get it in stock. I didn't think it was going to be that hard. I have never been able to get another one. They used to sell Holbein stock on eBay for $25 a pencil, which is crazy. And I was almost willing, I literally was almost willing to buy one on eBay for that price. It's that good. But I never did, and then I discovered the Derwent. Now, there's 2 types of white. One is the soft white, and the other one is just the white. The white is comparable to the Derwent Chinese. So I was getting my Derwent Chinese before stock for $6, which is expensive. If I had actually physically gone down to Blix, I would have gotten it at a much better price. On Amazon, they were selling them for about $6 a pencil, and then I guess they stopped, or they didn't have them in, and they started selling the sets, the 12 pencil set or the 6 pencil set. It might be the 6 pencil set, which includes the ivory black. Now, ivory black is one of my favorite black pencils too. So I can get both of them for $12, and then they come with a bunch of other pencils, which is okay because I love that brand. I love that set. I'm just waiting. I'm going to get the full set of the Derwent pencils, but I'm waiting for them to come out with the larger set. There's rumors that it's coming out, and I really don't want the smaller set. I want the larger set. when they come out. Right now they only have nature colors, and I don't do that much in the way of nature pictures to justify spending that type of money on a full set of just nature colors. I want to wait until they get the full set with all the, other colors, the brighter colors that I usually use in that brand. Now I'm talking about the drawing pencils. That's the line of pencils that I'm talking about. So you get the Derwent Chinese white and the ivory black, and it comes with it comes with 6 pencils, and I got it for around $12. So that's not that bad, considering what I was paying before, just per pencil at $6 a pencil. So that's not bad. And as I said, it's comparable to the Holbein white, but just not the soft white. Go get that soft white pencil. Sign up to get it. It's only $3.34. And then I think I paid like $1.25 or something around there for shipping. So it's a really decent price for what you're getting, and it's worth it. So I will see you guys on Friday. As I said, this is just a spur of the moment thing. I want to give a big shout out to DJ D. Follow him. He is a really nice guy, and he knows his stuff. He's a great resource. So I will see you guys on Friday. Take care.